Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend that we have here on the lot. I'm just going to take a quick walk around the unit today, just show you some of the features and options that this Bronco has to offer. Now as we come around towards the back here, you can see you do of course have your backup camera equipped back there. Access to the cargo area in the back, so you can see a decent amount of room back there to store your gear and bags out of the way while on the go. You do have that rubber covering on the back there, so easy cleanup. Checking out some of the features inside here. So you can get up to 5 passengers in the unit. You can see in the back seat you can fit up to 3 passengers back there. Seats themselves are a cloth seat and are in good condition across the unit. You do have some USB port hookups in the back. Checking out some of the features up front here. So you can see your touchscreen display area. So access of course to all of your audio media controls built in there. Bluetooth capabilities. And access to some of the apps and settings as well. Just below that, you do have access to, again, your audio media controls down in there, your push button start just in there, climate control options, heated front seats, USB ports in that center console area. You can see the key fob right here. Remote start is included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mount control, so you do have access to your audio media controls, Bluetooth capabilities, of course cruise control options as well, kind of everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself. Of course all your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center of the screen there, this Ford Bronco does have 15,053 kilometers currently on it. So that's just a quick look at this pre-owned 2024 Ford Bronco Sport. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.